Welcome to my video. In this video we are going to check out some Amazon gadget that literally everyone is buying from, gadgets that are really handy for home and daily life tasks. These are Amazon's most viral smart Amazon gadget. You must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. The OVENTE Electric Countertop Single Burner, BGS101S, is a compact and powerful cooking companion designed for kitchens, dorms, offices, and small spaces. With a 1000-watt heating element and a 7.25-inch cast iron hot plate, it heats up quickly and provides even heat distribution for all types of cookware. The burner features 5 adjustable temperature levels, allowing precise control for simmering sauces, frying, boiling water, or keeping food warm. Its durable stainless steel base not only ensures stability but also makes it easy to clean after cooking. The IMUSA USA GU80305 electric single burner is a compact, powerful, and reliable cooking solution for any kitchen, dorm, office, or travel setup. With its 1100-watt heating power, it heats up quickly and evenly, making it perfect for boiling, frying, simmering, or warming your favorite meals. Its cast iron heating plate ensures consistent heat distribution and long-lasting durability, while the temperature control knob allows you to easily adjust heat levels based on your cooking needs. The non-slip rubber feet keep the burner stable on any surface, ensuring safety during use. The Techwood electric single burner hot plate is a powerful and versatile cooking companion that brings convenience and performance wherever you need it. With its 1500-watt high-efficiency heating element, this hot plate heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperature for boiling, frying, simmering, or sautéing. It features an adjustable temperature control knob, letting you choose the perfect heat for any meal. The 7.3-inch cast iron cooktop provides even heat distribution and works with all cookware types, from stainless steel and aluminum to glass and ceramic. Built for both style and durability, the Techwood hot plate includes cool touch handles for safe movement, non-slip rubber feet for stability, and a sleek black stainless design that complements any kitchen setup. The CUSIMAX electric hot plate is a compact yet powerful cooking solution designed for ultimate convenience and performance. With its 1500-watt cast iron heating element, this portable single burner heats up in seconds, delivering consistent and efficient heat for boiling, frying, simmering, or warming food. It features a precise adjustable temperature control knob, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes with perfect heat every time. The stainless steel housing is not only durable but also easy to clean, while the non-slip rubber feet ensure the burner stays stable during use. The Elite Gourmet ESP301BF Countertop Single Burner is a powerful and compact cooking solution, perfect for small kitchens, dorms, offices, or travel. With 1000 watts of heating power, this electric hot plate ensures quick and even heating for boiling water, frying, or simmering your favorite meals. Thanks for watching.